I mean, all of these sound pretty positive so far. Is there anything that you've come across, you're like, oh, I don't know that that's so great?
Yeah. Well, so there's one other item on the FAFSA, which is that it used to be that small businesses and small farms were not reported as assets, and that has changed. And now all small businesses are reported as assets. They're reported at an adjusted value, so it's your business is assessed at a sliding scale rate, kind of like how you do taxes, where there's a 0% bracket, and then various other ones. So that is another asset that gets added into the mix. There's been a number of articles and communications from the Department of Education showing various scenarios, and in the vast majority of scenarios, the student aid index under the new formula is lower than their expected family contribution under the old formula. The exceptions to that are going to be students from families with multiple college students. Although, again, some of the other formula changes, like not adding back your 401k contributions, slightly larger income protection allowance, things like that, should adjust to that, to some degree. And then again, students whose parents own a business, depending on the business and the value of the business, that could add a substantial asset to the student's FAFSA.